This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making your iPhone discoverable and the Switch controller ready. Turn on Bluetooth in Settings, make sure airplane mode is off, and keep the phone unlocked so prompts appear. Meanwhile, charge the controller above 20% so pairing won't drop. Once done, plan to access the controller's pairing sequence, Joy-Con buttons, or Pro Controller Sync, because iOS only finds devices in their Bluetooth discovery state. Now move to the controller steps without closing your settings screen. You now put the controller into discovery so your iPhone can see it. For Pro Controller, press and hold the sync button on top until the LEDs flash rapidly. For Joy-Con, press the tiny round sync button near the SL/SR switches until lights blink. Keep pressing for a few seconds. This toggles Bluetooth advertising. On your iPhone, the controller name will appear under Other Devices. Tap it. This initiates pairing. Make sure the controller stays active and close to the phone during this step. You finish by selecting the controller on your iPhone and confirming connection. Tap the device name, wait until iOS shows connected. Then open a compatible game or check settings, right arrow Bluetooth to verify inputs. This confirms mapping and latency. If pairing fails, make sure the controller isn't already connected to a switch. Power cycle the controller and iPhone, toggle Bluetooth, or forget this device and try again. If issues persist, reset the controller by holding sync and power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.